Hi and welcome to Ron's Garage. It's Sunday and I will spend some time in the garage. That actually looks pretty good, I would say. The rust converter has been curing that metal. Today I will be doing different odd stuff, I would say. I will probably try to get this lever off, or get the inner side of the door off. I might actually start looking at the Beetle motor, removing some sheet metal around that to get that cylinder head off. And yeah, let's see. Let's go. So started here. I put the screwdriver below here, and you can probably see the tabs there. And yeah, now it's loose. Let's see if we can remove it. I'll use both hands so I don't destroy anything. And there we have the Phillips head screw. Hope that's all. And yeah, it's off. And I actually realized when I looked under here that I had this bracket pulling into this part of the door here. So I wasn't able to just pull it. Yeah, here we need to do some cleaning, I guess. And I should probably remove that rubber grommet, or whatever it's called, the seal. Yeah, let's see what to do next. Yeah, let's hope I don't forget that I put the inner door in the trunk of the car. So down here, this rubber seal is it's wedged below that part of the door. So there I was able to remove it pretty easy. This side, I don't know how it's connected, if it's glued or whatever. So I will try to... there's rust under there also. I will try to fix the rust without removing the seal, but yeah, let's see. Might be a bad idea, but I'll try it. So I'm cleaning with some brake clean and a rag, and I've been grinding a bit here to try to get rid of the rust. Also had some rust spot here, and as you see, I will not dop my car in acid and do everything perfect, but I will try to make it look better and try to keep the rust away. So I think it's starting to look good here. Not entirely clean, but much better. I have this rust spot here. I can't do anything about that at the moment because I need to remove the trim there from the outside. So I'll do that before I do anything there. I think I will put some rust combat on this. Then I actually need to figure out the color code of this car so I can order some paint. And to do that, I need to move out the front from the wall and that cupboard up there. So I will use my car rollers or whatever it's called I think I have them here, Bar. Yeah, there they are, but they are not good. They are actually cracked. So I will start to put some, what is that called? Yeah, I will reinforce them with a bracket or a L-shaped bar there, or angle iron it will probably be. I'll see what I find and see, because that would help a lot making them actually roll, because I think they are too weak in the middle, so they are not square when you put the car on them. I've seen someone else do that, so I'll try that and see if I can move them. I actually forgot to grind the bottom part here. I had some spots, so I grinded them down, and let's maybe look at that further when we turn the door on. So there we have the angle bar cut to size, and now I need to clean them. Actually, these iron bars comes from an oil tank, so they are really dirty. So I'll try to clean them a bit. Then I need to clean off this paint, and then I'll weld them. Let's see, hope it's getting better. So I think that should be okay. I have actually not used my welder since before summer, so let's see if I can crank that up to get a good weld. Okay, so these welds are really ugly. I don't really know why. I tried to clean the material, but probably there was some pulver spray. What's it that called? Yeah, some paint left. But yeah, I have welded. Let's hope it keeps together and makes a difference. Let's see, I'll lift up the front there, but first I'll go have some lunch. Okay, so I'm back from lunch. I lifted the car up in the middle there, and yes, it's on the rollers, and I'm not sure, but I think they work better. I was able to move the car so I could open the hood, and yeah, I was able to read the color code here. It said 050, and I have ordered me some paint. But yeah, before we can paint the car, we have some more work to do. So I have a lot more to do on this Mercedes, both on the sails and on this door. But I actually went out and chopped some wood this afternoon. So now it's evening, and I think it's good enough to be tinkering with this Beetle engine and see if I can remove some parts here and get the head off this motor. Let's see what I need to do. So I was thinking, how hard could this be? But I was just about to remove this intake. Then I realized it's stuck into that pipe. So then I removed the carburetor, and under the carburetor, somewhere down there, there is a bolt. And then I might get that pipe loose so I can lift that. And yeah, there is a lot of sheet metal or whatever you call it around here. So yeah, let's keep digging. Yeah, and this wasn't as easy as one could guess. I'm trying to remove the exhaust system. I have loosened this one, I think. Yeah, and there I have another screw. Not sure if I need to remove that, but I will do it anyway to see what I do. So I probably need a new gasket for the exhaust, but that's small pieces. I really don't see how to get this separated, because I need to remove this one, but this part, this part is in the way. I don't actually can remove it, and that would mean I need to remove that entire piece, and then I need to remove a lot of more things. Yeah, let's continue and see what we can do. It was actually pretty easy. This blocker that I put there was blocking, so now I was able to get it loose, and I should be able to remove this piece here. Let's see what I can do. So I have removed the exhaust from both sides, and I tried to remove this one, but it's stuck. It feels like, at least. So I think I will start removing things here. I have loosened these two. I think that would remove this, yeah, valve bridge, and then I would guess that there are 4 of those bolts there. Let's see. Yeah. So all the bolts are loose, and yeah, what's next? Even if I'm working with cars or playing with cars in my garage, I have never really worked a lot with car engines. I had the head of my Fiat 600 engine, and I guess that worked fine. I know I need to torque the bolts to specific specification, but I don't know much beyond that. I will give it a knock and see if I can get it to loosen. I'm not even sure I have removed all the bolts. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so my fast and easy lift the head operation ended up in a total teardown of my Beetle engine. I think I might need some more education, so some Google maybe, and then I will probably just have to continue the teardown. I have loosened the alternator here. Not even sure if it's called an alternator on this car, but whatever. I probably need to remove the this part keeping the alternator there, to be able to remove that. And yeah, but this has to be work for another evening. So I will end it off here. Yeah, please like and subscribe as usual. I am working with the Beetle. I'm working with the Mercedes. And I will soon start working with the El Camaro project also. I'm trying to do a bit here and a bit there, so I don't get bored and do stupid stuff. But yeah, this is all for today. Thank you for watching.